So we'll be doing the unboxing of eGurukul that have been. Again, here comes the PSM by Dr. Ashwini Ranjan. So you can see all the statistics are already given over here, are very apt. The print papers are really good. So you can see here they have given all the, in index page they have given everything that you can follow for doing the chapters. Then there is microbiology by Dr. Abdul Nasir. Nasir sir is very good. You know, you have seen his videos. He has mentioned everything, every detail and bit about. You have given also the pictures of the famous scientists. So everything is mentioned very clearly over. Then we go for the anesthesia. Anesthesia is beautifully written. Beautifully along with it you find the questions of the previous years also related to that chapter. And psychiatry by Dr. Ankur Jain. Radiology by Dr. Rajat Jain. You can see the pictures that were seen over here are really good with the oil papers. Like they are really good from the 1.2 version. And this is the orthopedics one. This is exactly the way I wanted the orthopedics to be. It is perfectly apt. Then we go for dermatology by Khushbu Mahajan ma'am. Things are drawn like, yeah, this is what you would expect to be. Every diagram with disease it is mentioned over here. So I guess there will be no problem for you reading all the subjects. It are the one of the best you can ever find in the Indian market. And this is the forensic medicine written by K.S. Gurudutt sir. He has also provided enough information, and you can see over here the number of colors they have provided. It makes us easy to grasp all the points also. Pediatrics by Pankaj sir. He has written it in a very simplified manner. You can see over it your every milestones are being attached in the diagram too. So everyone should go for 2.0 notes. Pharmacology is done in a very good way also. Every mechanism of action and everything is covered. So I would say it's your one stop at one go. DBMCI, are the name suggests, they are the best in the market.